Good morning, everyone. Are you able to hear me? Okay. So, people who are watching from YouTube Live, you can join this live class. You can join this live class using the Zoom link given in the description. Use the Zoom link given in the description. If you want to come to classroom, okay, if you want to come to classroom, you can join to this Zoom class by using the link given in the description. Demo link is there, you can use it. Okay. It's already there, Mohammed Rabi. It's already there in the YouTube. You can check. Mohammed Rabi is already there in the YouTube. You can check. Core Java Demo 2. Demo 2. Demo 2 is there. You can check. Okay. Okay. I'll share that link. Don't worry. After session completed, I'll share it. I'll share the link in the comment. You can check it out later. In the live, we cannot share the links. Okay. Live chat, I cannot share the links. Okay. Now, let me show you. Come to the Naresh IT YouTube channel as it is. Yesterday, day before yesterday, 2 sessions you are there. Go to videos, click on videos, click on videos. Then this is the video, yesterday class. New Core Java batch, demo 2, registration link is in the description. This is the second link. I hope Rabi, Mohammed Rabi, are you able to find? Okay, are you able to find it? New Core Java batch, demo 2. Okay, Zoom link is there in the description. Zoom link is there in the description. Check. Using Zoom link, you can join. And this is the third video. First video. Demo 1. New Core Java batch, demo 1. Okay, so this is the first video, and this is the second video, and today is the third video. Okay. Okay. Now let's move. Okay. So next. Yesterday I told you already, demo class means I'm not time passing. I'm teaching subject only. Demo class means you can check, you can attend the class without doing the payment. If you got the confidence that I will make you software engineer, you can complete the payment. Yesterday I given clarity, right? So now this is the admin details to contact our bank. Okay, how to do the payment, you can do that. So is the admin details, Mr. Nagababu, and this is a number 95533777893, and the Core Java course fee is 2,500. Okay, and this is the bank details. So you can do online banking payment, or you can do Phone Pay or Google Pay payment. Okay, so now you can do, this is the bank details. Are you catching my point? Some people are asking for how many days demo sessions will be continued. there's no nothing called demo sessions. So now soon we are going to change the link so that only who completed the payment, only for them this course will be available. Okay, right. So if you are confident, you can complete the payment, and you will get the material. So you will get the material access so that you can start reading it. People who are not done the payment, some services will not be there. So this material will not be available to the people who are not done payment. So today I'm explaining the first topic. Okay, first chapter 1 points I'm going to give. Today I'm explaining. So this material, if you're not there, then you cannot read. Now material is required now. All are catching my point. Material is required. So some services will not be there for the people who not done the payment. Okay. So people who done the payment today, you will receive the material. Don't worry. So I'll tell them to send the material link. They will sell and you can start reading it. Okay. So for the payment, this is the account number and this is the administrator number. Please note down. Please take the screenshot. Okay, please take the screenshot. And very important, after payment completed, you have to send after payment completed, you can do payment by using the account number. Okay, you can do the payment mode by using this account number, either bank online and then UPI app. UPI apps you can use Google Pay or Phone Pay, anything. Okay, using this account number you can transfer money. Okay, now got clarity? Yeah, right. After payment completed, please remember while doing payment you must include your name in remarks. Okay, you must include the name in the remarks. Okay, next, after completing payment you must send payment screenshot to Mr. Nagababu WhatsApp number. This is a WhatsApp number. Yeah, this is the WhatsApp number, or you have to send that to mail. Okay, anyone you can do that, no problem. This is the number. Please take the screenshot so that every day you don't need to ask again and again. Okay, now shall we start class? Shall we start class? Duration is 3 months. Okay, this course name is not just Core Java with project development. Target of this course is making you software engineer, and duration of this course is 3 months plus YouTube private videos. Currently I'm making these videos are public, but okay, you have some other private videos, those I'm going to give you. And then October 6th is the end date. Batch end date is October 6th. Okay, so now start date of this course. Start date of this course is July 6th. July 6th, and the end date is October 6th. And the fee for this course is 2,500. Training mode is full online. Recorded videos are not there. Nothing is recorded. No recorded videos. Okay, everything is live class. Some new students are joined. Let me quickly them. And I'll provide the material. The material is soft copy material, 2000 papers material. Already I shown you just now. Okay, complete material is there. Complete material, and several screenshots are there. So this is the complete material. Four pages. I mean, four PDF documents are there. 6 PDF documents are there. Each contain minimum 300. Okay, 2000 pages of material I'm going to share. And then interview questions I'm only giving you. No need to worry. That material also I'm going to give you. Material soft copy will be given, which contain 150 plus papers of material. Then next, now you can contact me at any time. Okay, so that is through FB group. The FB group name is Java by Hari Krishna. It's a private group. You need to send the request. Okay, I'll share all these links to the YouTube live people later. First, let me share to here. People who have not joined in this group, so try to join today. more to give you eyes door break. Okay, next get started. Oh my god, this YouTube everything changed, Baba, like a website now. Okay, people who are not joining the group, use that link and send the request to join. So already we have 26,000 people are there. Okay, next. So now what it includes in the syllabus? In the syllabus, we include Java language fundamentals, object-oriented programming using Java, logical programming, okay? And next, Java API, okay, libraries, IDEs, and then what Java project, right? My promise is making you compiler JVM. And yesterday I told you, James Gosling. What the meaning of James Gosling? Okay, I'm not going to make you, developing like a language person. So I'll make you, okay, I'll make you thinking like a James Gosling. Okay, every rule behind the concept, I'll make you think like a James Gosling. And finally, what? Project development. Okay, I'll make you project development. We'll also develop one project development. Okay, na? Right. So now I'm going to cover all these rounds questions, written test round, project manager round, everything will cover. Just read once. So what you have to think in written test exam, what you have to think in project, if you want to pass written test exam, you must think like a compiler and JVM. If you want to pass technical round, you must think like a programmer. If you want to pass project manager round, you must think like a project developer. You must think like a project developer. So in order to guarantee you pass all these exams, okay, you have to compulsory think like a all these people. For that purpose, the required knowledge I am sharing, I'm making you perfect in all areas, so that 100% I'm guaranteeing you your first interview will be the last interview. Okay, 100% I'm guaranteeing you your first interview is the last interview. As a summary point, these are the things I'm going to teach you. I'm making Java learning is very simplified. Okay, you will not just learn Java, you'll become software engineer. That's my promise. It is online live training, nothing is recorded. Every day class you have to attend. Okay, next, I'm giving project oriented training with real code snippets, complete real code. My projects I'm going to show you. Highlights, okay, these are the highlights. I'm covering the features up to 14 new feature, JDK 14 the latest version. Up to JDK 14 I'm going to cover. And next, every topic will be taught with the compiler and JVM internal algorithms. Then only you can pass written test exam. 1500 plus entry questions with OCA, OCP certification bits will be covered. Okay, and then next, chapter wise project based case study will be developed, so that you will become good programmer. And next, you will experience the usage of every chapter in the project development. Every day we are going to develop some small projects. And also after few chapters completed, combined, okay, so by combining related chapters, many projects will be developed, so that slowly you are getting project development thoughts. Okay, then next, by end of the batch you can think like a compiler, like a JVM and project developer, so that from Java you can move to any other technology. If your company demanding any other technology to use to develop project, you can easily migrate, you can easily start work. So my target is by end of this course, we will ensure you first interview is the last interview. Okay, your first interview will be the last interview. I'll ensure this. So this is my promise. I hope it's clear to all. Okay, right. So this is the my promise. And yesterday I shown you syllabus. So some people are asking again, show the syllabus. Quickly I'll show you and we'll start the today class. So this is the huge syllabus. So this is a huge syllabus. Okay. So already I have explained you the syllabus in the previous session video. Please go to that session video. Okay. Already I have shared. Yesterday. So let me share that video or links. People who joined today, you can use this link. So I'll share you here, and I cannot share you on YouTube live. That's the first video, and this is the second video. What we explained yesterday. You can use these two links. Last two classes are already there on the YouTube. You can go through that. Okay. Next. Now, in last class, I have shared you what is the way you have to complete your course. What is the order of completing the course? So just quickly, I wanted to revise it and we'll go. We'll quickly revise the topic and we'll go. Okay, right. So why are you here? To become a software engineer for developing a project by using Java. This is your target. You are here not to learn just Java. Remember, you are here not to learn just Java. You are here to learn. Okay, skills required to develop a project. What the skills required to develop a project? To develop project, you need these skills: problem solving skills, logical programming skills, object oriented programming skills, database programming skills. Okay, you need database programming skills, and you need UI programming skills, and you need client side validation scripting, server side programming, and fast development. All these knowledge you require. I told you I will explain you all these things clearly in the coming class as a project architecture. Clear project architecture I will explain you. So this is the architecture what I have explained to your seniors. I'll explain the same architecture to you also. How they are working, everything I will explain you very clearly. Okay, no need to worry about it. And then next, what are the courses you have to learn? CRT, CDS, Core Java, okay, Oracle, and then HTML, JavaScript, Advanced Java, frameworks, Hibernate, Spring and Angular, XML web services, Java tools, design patterns, Java real-time project development. So these are all the courses you need to know. Okay, so if you learn these courses, then you are eligible for learning, okay, entering into software industry. So this is the point I have explained you yesterday. Just I am revising once. Okay, now, right? And then what is the order? You have to do these courses. These courses are mandatory for, juniors, and these courses are mandatory for seniors. Means who are trying job with an experience, for them, these are the mandatory. Okay, fine. Then next, full Java course completion steps, what I explained. All these things are clearly explained in the previous video, just I am revising. Okay, then next, now Core Java, Oracle, HTML. These are three courses you can start without any prerequisite. Okay, you can start these three courses without any prerequisite. All three courses you have to start at a time because we want to save the time. So to save time, more time you have to spend, obviously, right? Then next, more hours you have to spend. In the middle of object-oriented programming, OOP, SQL, and HTML, in the middle of object-oriented programming, you have to start learning advanced Java, so that time will be saved. Following by, you have to, in the middle of advanced Java, your respective faculty will teach, okay, Java tools, design patterns, no need to worry. Following by Hibernate, in the middle of advanced Java only you start, and then Spring and Spring Boot you have to start, and then XML web services. You know, first three courses you start in parallel. Within one and a half month, HTML will be completed. In place of HTML, you are starting advanced Java. Then now after 2 months, 2.5 months, now Oracle or Core Java will be completed. Then in the middle of advanced Java, Hibernate, and middle of Hibernate, Spring Boot you are going to start. so that now the number of hours you are spending, then the course will be completed very fast. And then finally XML web services you are going to join. So because all the 3 slots are free, and now you can start at the 3 slots or 4 slots. Okay, per day you need to work for minimum 8 hours. Okay, per day you have to work for minimum 8 hours. And then next following by Java real-time project you are going to start finally after all courses completed. So you are going to spend with the Java real-time project 2 hours course, 6 hours practice. 2 hours course, 6 hours practice. Then now finally you are ready for the interview. Happily you can go and crack the interview and you can enjoy. So you have to put the target of minimum 8 months. So if you are experienced, if you are trying job with an experience, minimum 8 months it will take for you to get ready for the interview. If you are a fresher, minimum 4 months it will take for you to get ready for the interview. Okay, immediately just 1 or 2 days, 1 or 2 months I want ready, and it's not possible. Okay, you should have common sense. Tell me, your BTech is completed in 2 months, 3 months? No, no, you wait for 4 years. And in the middle, so many backlogs are there. After backlogs, again you wait for 1 more 2 years, 1 or 2 years. So that time when you don't have any problem, why you have problem? So now job will not come easily, that not that much easy. So your BTech courses, whatever learning, only for certification point of view. But now whatever learning, this is the real course. This is the real course. So I'm requesting you, spend the sufficient time. So if you are a fresher, like 2019, 2020 passed out, then you can get ready for the job by 4 months. If you are passed somewhere else, like 2015, 2014, so earlier you passed, now you are trying for the job. Now you are eligible for job minimum, okay, 7 to 8 months it will take. Okay, then where I can find all these courses, sir? Where I can find all these courses, starting, when starting, how starting? Simple, go to nareshshetty.com website. Okay, now go to nareshshetty.com website. So people who are watching from YouTube live, okay, if you want to come join with a Zoom, so that I can share the links and everything here. Okay, link is there in the description. You can use that. Use that link in the description and you can join in the Zoom link. Come to the live class. Okay, right, nareshshetty.com. Now here click on new batches, Hyderabad, new batches, Hyderabad. Okay, then go down, you'll find all the courses. Okay, this is the link for finding all the new batches details. Okay, nareshshetty.com. Look at that, all courses are there. Advanced Java, UI technologies, React.js, Spring Boot, CRT, okay, data structures and algorithms using C language, Core Java, okay, next Salesforce CRM, Power BI, Python, Django, next digital marketing, Hibernate, Oracle starting by Mr. Sudhakar L sir, 8th July 11 a.m. Okay, so data science, AWS, DevOps. Okay, these are all the courses are starting by different faculties at different time. Okay, HTML course will come soon. Okay, will come maybe this week. Okay, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, maybe they will announce. You can see that. No need to worry about it. Okay, so just follow this one, or else you can also follow FB page or FB Naresh Shetty page is there. You can follow. Okay, FB Naresh Shetty page you can follow. Okay, this is the facebook.com Naresh Shetty page, facebook.com/Naresh Shetty. Here we are going to share you all the details. Just like it and follow it. All the details you are going to get every time new batch starting. All the details postings we are doing here. Okay, fine. So I hope I given full clarity. Now I am trying to cover Java up to latest version. Okay, Java 14, including earlier features, everything I'm going to cover. So this is the basic idea about now the introduction to Java. That's what I have given you up to last class. Then now I want you conclude one more point and then you start the class. I want to conclude one more point. What is that? Using Java language, what are the different types of applications we can develop? Java language can be used. Okay, for developing. Okay, Java language divided into 4 sections. Basically 4 sections: Core Java, Advanced Java, Java EE. Olden days called Java EE, nowadays calling as Jakarta EE, Java EE, Jakarta EE, frameworks, XML web services. This is just Java package. Other courses, Oracle, HTML, whatever I told you, they are the additional courses that you have to learn along with this Java. So Java, Core Java, Advanced Java, Java EE, Jakarta EE, frameworks, XML web services. Okay, so these are the 5 courses you have to learn as part of Java. And next, luckily Java EE no need to learn. Java EE Jakarta EE is outdated from the market, so you no need to learn. Okay, in place of Java EE Jakarta EE, you are learning what? Frameworks. You are learning frameworks. Okay, so how many courses you have to learn as part of Java? Only 4. Core Java, number 2 advanced Java, number 3 frameworks, and number 5 XML web services. These are the 4 courses you have to learn. Okay, right. Then now, as part of core Java, if you learn core Java, what you are learning? Okay, if you learn core Java, what you are learning how to develop standalone applications. You are learning how to develop standalone applications. What the meaning of standalone application? A simple calculator, a software that you install in your computer, it will run only in that computer. That is called what? Standalone application. Right. Then next, a software that is installed in one computer executing in that particular computer is called what? Standalone application. If you learn only core Java, you are come to a stage where you can develop only standalone application. Tell me, nowadays anybody is developing standalone applications? No. Everyone developing what? Internet applications. That means web applications, websites are developing. So to develop website or web applications, what I need? I need advanced Java knowledge or Java EE knowledge. I need advanced Java or Java EE knowledge. By using advanced Java and Java EE, we are developing what? Web enterprise and native cloud projects. Web enterprise and cloud applications we are developing. So websites, simply let's say websites for your easy understanding purpose. I'll give you clear clarity on different type of applications with architecture in the coming classes. Don't much worry about them. Just try to accept my words. So if you learn only core Java, then if you learn only core Java, then you come to a stage of developing only standalone applications. If you want to develop web applications, then you have to use advanced Java. You should learn advanced Java. Okay, if you learn core Java, advanced Java, yes, now you can develop web applications, you can develop enterprise applications, but it's taking more time. Okay, you want to decrease the time, so you want to save the money. So save the money and the time, then you have to choose what? Frameworks. You must learn what? Frameworks. By using frameworks, you can develop the applications fast. So I can say frameworks are the alternative to advanced Java. Hello, not alternative to core Java. You cannot replace, you cannot find any alternative to core Java. Core Java is language. Okay, core Java is language. You cannot find any alternative to core Java because core Java is a language. So now using core Java, you are developing advanced Java based applications. Using core Java, you are developing frameworks based applications. Using core Java, you are developing XML web services based applications. So core Java is the basic language. Okay, using language concepts only we can develop the programs. So if you learn only core Java, you can develop application, run application as a standalone only. If the same project, if you want to run as a web application, you need what? Advanced Java. If you want to run same project as a enterprise application, fast development you want, then you have to use what? Frameworks. If you want to allow your core Java or Java project by everyone in the world, different language developers, different language applications, if you want to develop, then you have to use what? XML web services. XML web service is nothing but what? Interoperable distributed applications. If you want to develop interoperable distributed applications, then you must use XML web services. Let me give you a small diagram to make you understand this one. Okay, a small diagram I'll give you. Okay, how this core Java and everything, small diagram. This is my computer. Understand, this is my computer. Okay, I can say this is a server computer. Okay, just to feel it, sir, just to feel it. Don't try to get much panic to your brain. Don't confuse your brain. Just try to accept it, what I'm trying to tell. Assume this is the one computer somewhere available in the world. Let's say server computer. Let's say server computer. Okay, don't try to confuse yourself. Just try to concentrate what I'm explaining. I will answer to your other questions later. Currently concentrate on the subject. I started subject now, so you also be in the subject discussion. Try to put your brain in the subject discussion. Again, I'll give you time at end. Beginning at the end of the beginning of the batch, 15 minutes I given time to ask your questions. Then again, end of the batch, end of the class, again 15 minutes I'll give you the time to clear your doubts. At this minute, please focus on subject. Okay, don't raise other questions. Okay, concentrate on what I am explaining. Now this is a server computer here. Now in this server computer, I have placed my program. I have placed my program. I want to take my program as addition logic, addition program. Okay, addition program, addition program. Okay. So, sir, why you are taking addition program? For your easy understanding. Yeah. Let me take one addition program for easy understanding. Don't think too much. Okay. This addition program to add, I need two numbers now. This addition program required two inputs, right? Two inputs. First you understand basic understanding, then you'll go for big projects. Okay, now it required two inputs, a variable, b variable. So I'm taking two variables, okay, a and b. This a b variable, b variable required two inputs for executing its logic, and then finally it will generate result and stored in another variable. Let's say what, c variable. So what is variable? A variable is nothing but a place where we can store value, nothing more. Okay, nothing more, just it's a place where we can store value, is called technically what, variable. So now addition program contain two variables. What the two variables? A variable, b variable. If you have the value inside a b variables, then c variable will add them and store the result. But now my question, how can I submit the values to these two variables? That is what my question. Okay, how can we submit? This is a program, Abba. This is the program ready. If you want to submit these values, I should run this program now. To run this program, I should access this program. Where I can access? Within the same server computer you can access. Option number one. Option number one, within the same server computer. Now you are a end user. You want to add two numbers. You are a end user. You want to add two numbers. You are in your home. From your home, you cannot access this program. What you need to do? You have to walk from your home. You have to walk from your home. You have to walk from your home. Go to server computer and go and access this program. Then this program is called what? Standalone. This is called what? Standalone application. It is called standalone app. A program that is not accessible from other computer, a program that can be accessible only from the computer where it is available. To access that program, you are going from your home to the place where the program is available. Then that program is called what? Standalone application. Did you get clarity what the meaning of standalone application? Right? Now look at here. So using Java, we have three sections of Java is there: core Java, advanced Java, Java EE, frameworks, XML web services. By using these concepts, by using each section of the Java, what we can develop? We can develop standalone application. We can develop web and enterprise application. We can develop what you call interoperable application. My target is developing standalone application. Now I want all the people come to the place where my project is available. Then you have to use what? Core Java only. Just core Java only. Next, now I wanted to no need to come. You be in your home. My program will be there in my system. You be in your home only. Now from your home, open your system. Okay, this is your computer. You don't come to my place. You be in your home only. Open your system. This is your system. Open your system. Okay, this is your laptop or a desktop, whatever. Okay, then I can say this is a client computer. Client computer means you are the client, you are accessing. Now you are a client computer. Now this client computer connected to network is shown like this. Cloud is called network. This is a cloud symbol now. This is a network. This is a network. Basic idea you need to get in today class. Now this client computer is connected to the network. Server computer also connected to the network. Via this network, you open the browser. Okay, you open the browser. From this browser, using URL, right? URL concept, gmail.com, facebook.com. Okay, those are called URL. Using this URL, via this network, you are accessing this program. You are not going anywhere. You are accessing this program. Then this program is called what? Web application. What we call it as web application, or we call it as internet application. And tell me, now this program accessing from the wherever it is available, they're only accessing, then this application is called what? Standalone application. No, I am not going to the place where that program is there. I am in my home only. From my home, I am trying to access that program by using URL. Then what we call this program as web application or internet application. Okay, got clarity? Yeah, right. So now next point, try to observe now, then now this class is not question answer class, Mr. Honey. This class is not question answer. This is not our chatting class now. Please try to understand. Okay, so this is not chatting now, right? So if it is a chatting, then I can answer to your question. This is a explanation. This is a batch. Okay, this is a running batch. So please try to listen what I'm telling. At end, I will explain you. If you have not have patience, then you can leave. So today class is not discussion about platform dependency, platform independency. Are you catching my point? Right. So Rafi, if the video is not clear, use the description. I have given a link. Using that link, you join into the Zoom class so that it will be clear more to you. Okay, got clarity, Mr. Rafi? Use the link I given in the description, and you can join the Zoom class. Right. So then come to the point now. So client computer and server computer, two things are there. So in a client computer, I have browser. This is what? Browser. And then in the browser, we have URL, right? So using URL, you are accessing the program without going anywhere. Then we call it as what? Web application. Okay. Now I just take an edition program in place of, okay, in place of web application edition. Let me try to take bank application so that you will get some more clarity, right? Shall I take bank application? Bank program, I'm writing. In place of edition, I'm writing what? Bank. Then tell me. Bank program I am taking. Tell me. In a bank program, you wanted to, okay, in a bank program, you wanted to deposit money. To deposit money, you have totally two options are there. Go to deposit machine, or from your home, online transfer. Okay, I'm giving two things. Deposit machine. Okay, deposit machine is one option. You need to identify which option is which type of application. Deposit machine. Second one is what? I don't say deposit machine. I want to take clerk. Deposit machine will be confusing to you. I want to take a clerk. So go to bank premises. Go to bank. And by using clerk, you are depositing. And by using clerk, depositing. Okay, now then what is this? This is a standalone application or web application? Everyone should answer. Both people who are watching from the YouTube live and from the Zoom link. So both people should answer. This is what type of application? It is standalone. Why standalone? From your home, you are going to bank. You go to bank, you are going to bank, and then using the clerk to deposit. Then this is what? Standalone application. Okay, standalone application. Next, now you are in your home only. You are using net banking. Using net banking, you are transfer money to your friend, depositing to your friend account. Okay, depositing friend account. Tell me, you are not going anywhere. You are accessing the bank application from your system only. Then we call it as what? Web application. Okay, web application. So today class target, I hope you understand. So now I am very clearly there. I'm very structurally prepared the class. Okay, our journey I have prepared very structurally. First day, I make you your mind set up as a software engineer. First day, my target is making you mind setup software engineer. Second day, I wanted to make your career setup. What courses you need to do? Okay, in which order you need to do, why you need to do, making you let you know. That is my second day target. Now today, third day. So today, third day target is what? Okay, today, third day target is what? Making you understand different types of application developing by using Java. Using Java, we can develop standalone application. Using Java, we can develop web applications. Okay, Nagbabu, Zoom link work cheyaleదని చూడు ఒకసారి description లో ఉన్నదే. Nagbabu, అన్న లింక్ సరిగ్గా పెట్టుంటో చూడు ఒకసారి. Okay, so now third one. Come to the third application. Now listen carefully. Up to now, all you people understand? Okay, going to bank is standalone application. Net banking is depositing to friend account is web application. Clear? Then now let me come to third application. What the third application? Enterprise application. What the third application? Enterprise. What the meaning of enterprise application? Listen, an application that can be accessible as a standalone application or even can be accessible as what? Web application or observe. Let me show you now. Look at here. You know, right? Once you have bank account ATM card, okay, ATM card, can you access it from ATM machine? Using ATM, can you access it from ATM machine? ATM machine. ATM machine, this is a ATM machine, this is a screen. Okay, this is a screen you have. On the screen you have ATM machine screen, okay. ATM machine screen. On the screen you have several options. Just I'm giving you a feeling that it is a ATM machine, okay. And you have lot of cash inside, okay. We are going to steal that cash, but not possible. Feel that it is a ATM machine. Tell me, what is the software available in this ATM machine? Some program, okay. Now this is the cash is there. Then tell me, now I come to this ATM machine. From using this ATM machine screen, can I access this project? Yes. Via network. Can I access this project? Yes. Now tell me, what is this? This is a machine. It is not a program. Background, it is a machine. Next, tell me, can I use something like there is something called swiping machine. There is something called swiping machine. Can I use a swiping machine? Okay. Can I use swiping machine to do that transaction, everything? Right? Possible. From the swiping machine also via network, now accessing this program. That means you are not only accessing from, okay, you are not only accessing from local within the same computer directly. You are not only accessing from, okay, one browser. You are also accessing from what? One machine. Okay, more details I'll explain you. At this minute, just you try to understand. If an application is accessible anywhere in the world, from anywhere in the world, from anywhere, either directly within the system or from the browser or from one electronic device, then we call this application. However, it is allowed to access, then we call this application as what? Enterprise application, or we call it as what? Distributed application. Enterprise application or distributed application. Okay, so enterprise application and distributed application. Any application that can be accessible, an application that can be accessible either as a standalone application, or as a enterprise application, or as a web application, or from the some electronic machines. Okay, however you access, anywhere you access, then we call it as what? Enterprise application. Okay, and you are accessing what? Distributed application. We call it as distributed application. If you want to develop an application to access either as a standalone application or as a web or internet application or enterprise application, if you want to develop, then you must use which knowledge? Java EE. You must learn Java EE, or you must learn what? Frameworks. If you learn advanced, if you learn core Java, you can make your program to accessible only as a standalone application. Only standalone application means what? Core Java. Okay, that means you can access your program only within the same server computer. The next point, now if you try to access the program, if you want to allow your program to access from the browser as a web application, then you must learn what, Nana? Advanced Java you must learn. Advanced Java you must learn. The next, if you want to allow your program to access anywhere, either from the client, either from the within the server, or from the client from the browser using URL, or from the machines with the button clicks. From the machine with the button clicks, if you want access, then that is called what? Enterprise or distributed applications. Then you should learn what are frameworks. You must learn frameworks. So this is the story. Now you need to understand. Up to now, are you comfortable? Okay. So Realme 3 Pro has asked wonderful question. Repeat once again. What should I repeat? Should I teach from again first point to last point? Mr. Realme 3 Pro. Should I repeat from first point to last point? Then target the question. Repeat once again, and what should I repeat? Please address your doubt so that I can give more clarity. No? An application. This is a program. This is a program. An application that can be accessible either as a standalone, okay, or as a web application, or as from the machines without using any links. We call it as distributed. The word itself is telling, Nana, distributed. Its accessibility is distributed to anywhere. Okay. So an application whose access is distributed to anywhere, that can be accessible as a standalone application, that can be accessible as a web application, that can be accessible from normal machines. Normal machines, we call it as what? Enterprise. I given clear arrow mark. Look at that. An application that can be accessible from anywhere. From anywhere. So then we call it as what? Enterprise or distributed. So this program can accessible only within the same computer. Then we call it as what? Standalone. This program can be accessible only from the browser using URL. Okay, then we call it as what? Web application. An application that can be accessible from anywhere. That's what the meaning of distributed. That's the meaning of distributed. Anywhere it can be accessible. Then we call it as what? Enterprise application or distributed application. Got clarity? Yeah? Tell me. Nowadays, every business application is what type of application? Every business application, what type of application? Can you please answer this question? Nowadays, every business application is what type of application? Distributed, enterprise and distributed. So that can be accessible as a standalone, can be accessible as a web application, can be accessible as machine. From a machine also it can be accessible. Okay, more details. See, if I talk more deeper, you cannot understand because you don't have that much subject maturity. Just I'm giving you a knowledge, how much you can understand, that much only I'm talking. Going on during course going on, I will reveal the more points. Are you catching my point? If you ask me to explain everything now, sir, okay, you cannot understand. You will get vomiting. You born, okay, can I give you chicken biryani to you? Your stomach can digest only milk, right? Soft food only can digest. So slowly you become B.Tech. Now B.Tech brain, B.Tech stomach can digest chicken biryani, mutton biryani, any number of things, anything you can be digest. Are you catching my point? So days experience, slowly when you are getting experience, I will show you the architecture and explain everything. At this minute, just I am giving you a small statements. Okay. Now tell me, an application that can be accessible. What do you answer finally? Can be accessible from a machine. Okay, can be accessible from a machine also. From a machine also. And then we call it as what? Distributed. Distributed enterprise application or distributed. Just you try to accept the matching concept. I'm not going to give you bigger technical definition. Today class is not technical definitions. Today class is not technical definition. Just I'm making you aware. That's all. Tell me, Paytm is enterprise application or standalone application or what type application? Paytm. Tell me now, I'm giving some examples. Calculator. What you call as a calculator? Calculator, you should call it as what? Standalone. It can be accessible only in my system. It's a standalone. Okay. Then next. Now I'm trying to give you bank application. No. I want to give you one tutorial website, nareshit.com. nareshit.com. Tell me, can you access nareshit.com from? Can you access nareshit.com from a machine? From a machine, can you access nareshit.com? No. You can access only from the browser, right? So then it is what? Web application. Next. Now I'm giving you irctc.com. irctc.com. Tell me, irctc.com, can you access from a machine? Can you swipe? Can you do any swipe kind of thing? No, right? Right? Tell me, irctc.com. What type application is irctc.com? It is what type application? Web application. Okay, now I'm trying to take antivirus application. Can you access antivirus application via web? No, you are installing in your system. This is what? Standalone application. Next, MS Office. I'm taking MS Office. MS Office is what? Standalone application. Okay, standalone application. Tell me, a game software you install, then what is this? It is a standalone application, right? All these are standalone applications. Next, tell me, now I want to write separately. Tell me, now I'm trying to write some examples. nareshit.com, irctc.com, javaharkrishna.com. All these are accessible only from browser. Okay, right? Then these are all what? Web applications. All these are web applications. Then tell me now. Now I'm trying to give you something. Listen carefully. Now I'm trying to give you bank application. Okay, bank, hdfcbank.com. hdfcbank.com. What is this? This is a web application and also enterprise application. Right? Web and enterprise, both you can access from web and also can access from enterprise, any machine. Next, I'm taking Paytm. Paytm you can access from everywhere, all over you can access. That's a web application. Tell me, Paytm can you access from a machine? Paytm karo, right? You can karo na, Paytm karo na. So we can call web application and enterprise application. Array, using bank application, you can link to Paytm. Yes or no? You can link Paytm to your bank. So using your bank account via Paytm, you can do na. You can swipe, right? Paytm code will be given to you, and you are scanning that. You are scanning from the particular in mobile app, and you are doing na. So you can do it's an enterprise application, but may not be fully enterprise. It's a web application. Okay, all right. So enterprise applications, maximum enterprise applications are 99% enterprise applications are what? Bank applications. Bank applications are enterprise. So in our entire applications, 10% applications are standalone. 80% applications are what? 10% applications are standalone. 80% applications are what? Web applications, and some more 10% applications are what? Enterprise applications. Just I given a clarity to you. Now I want to ask one question. Are you ready to answer? Are ready to answer? Tell me, if you observe nowadays, every application is going for, online payment now, online shopping application. Tell me, Flipkart is what? Flipkart, can I say it's a enterprise application? Is it a web application or enterprise application? It's a web application. Okay, it's a web application, and even you can also call it as enterprise application because it is having lot of integrations. It's a web application, but it is working with a lot of integrations. An application that work with a lot of integrations can also call as enterprise application, web and enterprise. Okay, now some web applications are also considered as what? Enterprise applications. Okay, web application, Flipkart, Amazon are web application you accessing from the browser. Only from the browser you can access, and these web applications are having some integration with other applications. So I can say it's a web application and also enterprise application also you can call. So slowly going on, you can get some clarity. A small confusion there between web application and enterprise application. So yeah, using PayPal, using UPI, using online banking, there are some integrations are there, right? So with the different companies it is integrating. Now I have a question, sir, please try to understand. Now the Flipkart is developed in which language? Java. Okay, I don't take Flipkart. Let me take some other. Let me take Facebook. Facebook is developed in PHP language. Okay, now on Facebook, have you seen any post? Some post is coming like this. Here is having the post post name, and down have you seen? You will find one small thing called sponsored. Have you seen sponsored? Something is there sponsored. Have you seen sponsored? Have you seen sponsored? What the meaning of sponsored? Sponsored means now this particular post author has done the payment to Facebook. First he went to the Facebook website. In the Facebook website, what they're doing? They're doing some payment. How they're doing the payment, Babu? By using online, na? By using online transfer, na? Online transfer purpose, bank Facebook app must access. Come on, sir, try to understand, sir. Must access. Tell me, bank project, right? Come on. Facebook must access bank project. Bank project developed in which language? Bank project developed in which language? Java language. Okay, try to understand. Last point, conclusion we got. Facebook is accessing bank project. Okay, how? From the PHP, it required to access what? Java. Tell me how it can access. How two different languages can access? How two different languages can communicate? How different languages can communicate? It's not possible to communicate, but there is a mediator. Okay, tell me, I am Telugu person. You are a Hindi person. How we both people are communicating? By using one common language. What the common language? English. Hello? Yes or no? We are communicating with one common language. What the common language? English. That English is what? What is the common language for all the languages? The common language for all languages is XML or JSON. XML, JSON. These are the new technologies came into market for making different languages to communicate. Okay, making different languages to communicate. But okay, XML, JSON is the communication language. XML web services are the communication language. But how can I communication channel I required? So data transferring channel I required. PHP to Java, data should transfer. For that purpose, we use web services. Okay, for that we use the technology called what? Web services. So this web services technology we use. Now using this web service, you are developing one program, one application. That program or that application is called what? Interoperable distributed application. What do you call? Interoperable distributed application. Are catching my point? Interoperable distributed application. PHP communicating with what? This distributed application, interoperable distributed application. Then this interoperable distributed application is now communicating with what? Java. Who is this interoperable distributed application? It is nothing but XML based, XML, comma, XML or RESTful, XML or RESTful web services. XML or RESTful web services. This is the concept you are using. So I have given you clarity using Java. What are the different types of applications you are developing? Using Java, we are trying to develop four types of applications. Number one, standalone application to execute a program only in one computer. Web application to access via internet from another computers. To access via computer from another computers. Next, what do you call bank application? Enterprise application to access either as standalone, to access either as what web application. Also can access with electronic machines with a lot of integrations. And last, two different applications I want to connect. To connect two different language applications, I need one communication mediator. That communication mediator is nothing but XML web services. That XML web services is called what? Interoperable application. Interoperable distributed application. I hope you understand what the meaning of distributed application. Distributed means it can be accessible from anywhere. An application that can be accessible from anywhere, however, is called what? Distributed. It is what type of distributed? Interoperable. Any language can access it. Either PHP, Java, .NET, anything. Shall I ask one question? Shall I ask one question? Will you please apply this knowledge and try to answer? Nowadays, if you observe carefully, we got mobile, na? We got mobile, right? Mobile. You got mobiles, right? Now this is a mobile. Mobile is generally represented by antenna. Okay, now we got mobile apps, na? Mobile app, bank mobile app. Okay, we got bank mobile app. So now I have used bank mobile app. Tell me, from this bank mobile app also, I can access this project via network. Tell me, via network, this bank project we can access, right? From the mobile app. This mobile app is developed in which language? It is developed in Android or developed by using iOS. Okay, Android or iOS based platform application. It is developed in which language? Java. It is developed in Java. Then tell me now, how Android programs can communicate with the Java project? Come on, anybody can tell me? Anyone? Not anyone, everyone, come on, everyone. How Android applications are communicate with the Java applications? If you see the course, if you see the Android course, definitely you would have seen, if you see the Android course, definitely you have seen something called what? Android based web services also will be there. So this web services course is not only for Java, everywhere. Any technology you take, any language you take, everywhere we have web services. Not only that, nowadays the trending technologies are what? Angular, React. For developing UI applications, people are using Android and React. So by using Android and React, okay, let me make a small diagram here. So now using UI is developing by using either by using Angular or by using React. Either by using Angular or React. Let me write down. Let us write down so that don't have confusion. UI is developing by using Angular, or developing by using React. Is a very famous technologies now. Angular, React they are using to develop UI. Front end screen is ready, abba. Front end screen is ready. Now from this front end screen, I want to collect the data from the end user and I want to pass the data back end applications. This is a front end. We call it as what? Front end. We call it as front end. What you are seeing is called front end. Back end, a big project is there. That project may be developed using Java. Okay, maybe developed by using .NET, maybe developed by using PHP, or maybe developed by using Python. Okay, maybe developed by using Python, using any language it may be developed. Repeating again, it may be developed by using Java, not Java, Java. Maybe developed by using Java, or maybe developed by using .NET, or maybe developed by using PHP, or maybe developed by using what do you call Python, latest technology, latest language. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Maybe developed by using Node.js, backend, UI technology complete, Mariner stack, Mariner development. Okay, Mariner Mariner means React will come. Mean means Angular will come. Okay, Node using Node.js. Okay, using anything may be developed. Server may be developed by using anything. So Satish, thank you for reminding me. Tell me, using Java, .NET, PHP, Python, Node.js, anything you develop. Now this Angular or React want to talk to either Java or to .NET or to PHP or to what, Python or to what, Node.js. Tell me, Bujay, everyone should answer. How Angular can talk to different languages? Come on, who is coming the mediator again? Who is the coming mediator again? Who is coming as a mediator? Mr. XML. Again coming what? I can say simply, who is coming? Web service. Who is coming in the middle? Web services is coming. I think everybody answered. I hope everyone fully understood. Huh? Web service is coming in the middle and creating the connectivity between them. That's all. So this is called what? Interoperable application. So I hope I reached my target. Today class is making you understanding different types of application running in the market. Different type of applications running in the market. And those applications, how can I develop? Which technologies we use? If I want to develop only standalone application, yeah, web service same for all languages. If I want to develop standalone application by using Java, I must use just core Java course. Just by using core Java course. Okay. I wanted to develop web applications. Then you must use what you call advanced Java. I wanted to develop, enterprise application, distributed applications. Then I should use Spring. You must use Spring framework called Spring. You must use framework Spring. You must use. Okay. I want to develop interoperable applications. Then I should use what? Web services. This web service is not two ways. XML based web services or RESTful web services. RESTful web service. There are two web services came now. RESTful web services or XML web services. So this is the basic idea all the people should have. I hope I make you able to understand everything. Today onwards, whenever you see any application, now your eyes should tell you, array, it is a standalone application. Now this is developed by using core Java. Okay, array, it is a, I know, it is called what? It is accessing from the browser. Oh, it is a web application used developed by using advanced Java or frameworks. Advanced Java or frameworks. Using frameworks, we can develop web applications and also enterprise application. By using advanced Java, we can develop only web applications. We cannot develop enterprise. Okay, if you want to develop from the machines, there is no browser. When there is no browser, there is no URL. You have to access directly that program. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you more discussion about web and enterprise and web application and distributed application difference. Okay, right. Advanced Java is also called J2E. Yeah, Advanced Java is also called J2E. I will give you that clarity probably on Monday. Okay, how much course is called core Java, how much course is called advanced Java, what exactly core Java, what exactly advanced Java, what exactly J2E, that I'll give you on Monday. I'll give you clarity on that point. Today I'm not talking. Okay, Spring Boot, both are same. Spring working with XML, Spring Boot working with annotations. Okay, Spring Boot are both are same. Spring Boot is just added touch up to the Spring. Okay, Spring Boot is just, heroines before going to shooting, they have a makeup, and before just going before the camera, they're adding last touch-ups. The touch-up is Spring Boot. You should learn Spring, then following by Spring Boot. Spring Boot is working with annotations, Spring working with XML. Satish, I hope I given clarity to you. Web services are written in which language? Every language. Angular web service writing and using Angular. React web services are developing is using React. Java web services are developing is using Java. Okay, every web service is part of every language. Yeah, ask Srivastav. I'm giving the time for you to raise the questions only. Srivastav, you need to ask this question not to me. You have to ask to Nagababu. Fee details you have to ask to Nagababu. I told you, no. Java details you ask me. Understand? Send this big message to Nagababu WhatsApp number. He will help you, not me. Can we develop distributed application using servlets? No. Krishnaveni, you cannot develop distributed application using servlets. Using servlets, you can develop only web applications. If you want to develop distributed applications, you must use RMI, EJB, or Spring Technology concepts. When the course will be started? Asta, don't you feel it is a course? Asta, this is a course only. What is your question meaning? I didn't understand. Yeah, enterprise applications, I don't want to talk much now because you'll confuse. Angular and React are UI technologies meant for developing front-end screens. Yeah, web applications are developed just by using advanced Java. Core Java, advanced Java. Prajakat. From where you are accessing IRCTC application? IRCTC is a project, na? It's a railway reservation project, right? From where you are accessing? From the website, right? No, you cannot learn frameworks. You must learn advanced Java, then go to frameworks. Frameworks are developed on top of advanced Java. If you don't know advanced Java, how can you understand frameworks? Can you directly learn bike without cycle? API means a predefined program, Nana. Adrian, API means just a predefined program. That may be Servlet program, maybe Core Java program, maybe EJB program, maybe Spring program. Okay, anything is API. Enterprise applications, I don't talk much. You will not understand. So enterprise application means an application that can be accessible from anywhere is called enterprise application. Just remember. Don't think more about enterprise. EJB is a separate Java EE. It is Java EE, but it's not there in the market now. Nobody using. Yeah, Sai Tej, you can attend parallel core Java, complete fast. No, Amazon Web Service is a server, cloud server. Ayush, Amazon Web Service is a cloud server. It's not XML web services. Telecommunication applications, which language use? Any language, C, C++, Java, anything can use. Yeah, station counter also using station counter. Prajakant, station counter also using same web application only, na? Whatever you are using from your home, they also use the same kind of things. Okay, only screen is changing, but the background service, background application is same. They're also accessing from website only, from the browser only. Yeah, we have JV in the server that we'll discuss. Yeah, Vishal available after class. Any version you can use Mr. Omkar, no problem. Sai Teja, you should attend 6 p.m. batch. Don't get confusion, Vamsi. Web applications access from only browser. Enterprise applications can be accessible from either browser or from the normal electronic devices also. Mr. Goyal, why you are worrying about too much, Bob? You don't worry. Is there any difference in subject teaching for payment people, non-payment people? Okay, don't worry about it. Just you have a doubt, ask me the question. If you want to know Angular, React, Node.js, please join UI Technologies course. Faculty will give you. New batch will start evening 4 o'clock after 15 days. Both are same. SEJP old name, OCJP new name. UI means user interface. Six PM is a half completed batch. Yeah, Uber application also in Java, that you can call it as, you can call it as enterprise application because it is also having integration with many other applications. It's a web and enterprise applications. Not required immediately. Laptop is not required immediately. You can also use mobile. From the mobile also you can compile. E-commerce applications are accessible from the browser and they have a lot of integrations with other systems. Simple. A application that is accessible from browser or from other electronic devices and also have integrations with many other applications, then we call it as enterprise. Okay, it is doing so many it's connecting to so many other customers, other clients, right? So many integrations are there. Connecting to bank, it's connecting to debit card system, it is connected to credit card system, it is connecting to online transfer system, it is connecting to UPI, it is connecting to the customers who are it is connecting to the clients, agents. Okay, so it's doing a lot of work. An application that performs so much huge business is called what? Enterprise application. Okay, an application that perform huge business by connecting to the so many branches, so many clients, so many agents, we can call it as what? Enterprise. That's why Flipkart is a enterprise. FB using PHP. Integration, simple diagram. I'll give you simple diagram. A project. Observe here. Let me give you some more clarity on enterprise because everybody asking enterprise. Oh, enterprise. This is a project. Okay, this is a project. Simple point. This is a project. Now this project can be accessible standalone, can be accessible. Please, all people are concentrate 1 second. Can be accessible standalone, can be accessible from the web, can be accessible from normal program from other system, normal program can be accessible from electronic machines, can be accessible from electronic machines like swiping machine, ATM card, ATM machine. Like, not only that, this project has a connectivity, integrations to, okay, integrations to integrate, connecting to other projects, having a lot of integrations to different projects, different clients. Okay, then we call it as what? It's a connecting to different things. We call it as what? Enterprise. An application that is responsible for performing operation across multiple branches of same company or multiple branches of different company, then we call it as enterprise. Have you heard the word called enterprise in real world? Okay, a shop, on a shop you will see that word now, enterprise. Enterprise means what? It is a performing operations, for different operations, performing different businesses it is doing, then we call it as what? Enterprise. It can be accessible from a program, it can be accessible from a program in the same system. Okay, next, it can be accessible from a program from different system, next, it can be accessible from a browser. That's what, if I talk this much heavily, again you will get more questions. You will not be comfortable. That's why I told you, Array, leave it. But you are not asking me to, you are not leaving, asking again and again, again and again. Sorry, I'm giving full details. Okay. An application that can be accessible from a program from same system. More technical I'm speaking. More technical I'm speaking. A program that can be accessible from one program from another system, okay, can be accessible from another system. A program, core Java and this technology is a version. This cannot be give you complete details in a single day. You should have patience. No problem, because you are ready to understand. I'm ready to give you a program that can be accessible from the browser. And next, a program that can be accessible from some electronic machine. Electronic machines, swiping machines and ATM machines can be accessible from electronic machines. And also accessing, this is what accessing from left side, accessing from. We can access as a customer, we can access different places, we can access. Okay, all questions may not be answered today. If I don't answer to your questions, don't mind. Tomorrow I will answer, because time lacking process. So I cannot answer every question today, right? And next, this project can access another projects to perform different operations. It's a huge application performing different operations, which can access other projects. What the other projects? Bank project. It can access bank. It can access debit card. It can access credit card. It can access credit card system. It can access UPS system, and it can integrate. It can integrate with what? It can be integrated with what? Merchants. Can I say merchant? Different selling people, buying, selling people, merchants. Different merchants apps it can integrate. Now, if any application has this much huge operations performing, then we call it as what? Enterprise application. For example, Flipkart. I can say online shopping application, e-commerce. We call them as what? E-commerce. E-commerce, spelling ERC na, ERC na. E-commerce applications. Come on, spelling masters. Correct? English masters. Yesterday, some people are correcting my English also. So I'm asking e-commerce applications, every e-commerce application, every bank application, we can consider as what? Enterprise applications. So because e-commerce applications and enterprise applications are, connecting with several operations they are doing, and they can connect with what? Different other applications. Okay, e-commerce and bank applications are what? Enterprise application. I hope now everybody is satisfied. So many, everyone is a sir, enterprise. Now satisfied? An application that can be accessible either from one small program from same system, from other program from different system, from a browser using URL, from electronic machine by some button clicks. Okay. Not only that, it is integrated with different other projects. An application that perform huge business operations is called what? Enterprise application. E-commerce applications are enterprise. Bank applications are enterprise. Now you can see now the enterprise application around you. Many things are there. So I may not answer all your questions today. So don't get angry, because if I don't answer your questions, I tried my level best to answer to all your questions. If any one or two questions not answered, please don't get angry. Materials will be sent to the people who done payment from today itself. I will inform to the people. They will start sending. Tell me, sir, every enterprise application background, Every enterprise application background uses how many technologies? It uses every enterprise application background uses. Come on, sir. Every enterprise application uses number one, core Java. Okay, number one, it uses core Java compulsory. Number two, it uses advanced Java technologies. It uses frameworks, Spring, Hibernate, Spring and Hibernate. Okay, Spring and Hibernate. Compulsory, it uses XML or RESTful web services. Correct? Because if a Flipkart wanted to talk to bank account, web services only the mediator, na? Web services. And the next fifth one, XML web services. And the next fifth one, what? Also it uses, these are the main language concepts. These are the main middleware. I can say these are the middleware. The next backend. Backend what use? Database. Generally the database is what? Oracle. Okay, generally the database is Oracle will be used. Okay, and front end what will be used? Anybody come on, tell me. Front end what it will be used? Front end what will be used? HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Angular frameworks, Angular or React. Angular or React will be used. Front end, HTML, JavaScript, Angular or React. So if you take every project, any enterprise application project or web application project, okay, these are web and enterprise applications. I'm talking about web and enterprise applications. So because you got clarity now, you can take the decision. What the courses I have listed, what are the courses I have listed? Those courses necessary to learn or not, you try to think. What are the courses I have listed? Those courses are necessary or not to learn, you try to take decision now. You take any application in the real world now. Every web okay, you take any application in the real world now. Every web application, every application is 90% either enterprise web applications only na. Maximum database will be used Oracle in enterprise applications development, because Oracle database covering lot of facilities. Tell me, sir, with this knowledge, now tell me, can you survive? Can you survive in the industry if I discuss like this? What is our course? Am I fulfilling our course heading? Am I fulfilling our course heading? What is our course heading? Core Java with project. Core Java with project. If I teach you like this, can you build your career as a software engineer? Can you build your career as a software engineer? End user is talking to front end view. This is called, somebody asked microservices. Microservices is an architecture, distributed application development architecture. It is front end. I can say it is a UI, user interface. Okay, it's a front end UI, user interface. And this is a middleware. It's called middleware. Middleware means it's a service, applications, interaction. I can say integrations are okay. Let it be the just middleware. Okay, let us don't introduce any other additional words. Middleware. We call it as middleware. And then this is called what? Backend. This is a backend database. Okay, this is generally people call it as. And now this is a client side. I want to conclude one more. This is called client side, people who are there. And this is called server side. Server side means somewhere server computer. So every project is divided into two parts, client side and server side. Project is client server architecture based project. Microservices is a architecture. Web services is a technology. Web service is a technology using which we develop interoperable application. Microservice is an architecture. Using microservice you cannot develop. To develop that microservice based architecture, we use all these courses. All are you happy for today class? Can I hope all you people got some good knowledge in today class? This 2 hours of the time is useful. This 2 hours of the time is useful to all. Spend the valuable time. So I'm clearly telling my target is making you software engineer. As part of making you software engineer, initially I will spend the time 2-3 days. I'll spend the time with architectures and all. So this architecture knowledge will give you good clarity on the subject. So what you are learning, why you are learning, all the details will give you. No, not possible scheduling class at 8:30 because up to 9 I have class. Up to 9 I have class. Up to 9 I have class. Ray, where are the courses list? It's gone. Huh? I have mentioned the courses now. What are the courses you have to learn? Ray, that's gone. Huh? Oh, this is only right. Sorry. Architecture itself is a course. What are the courses you have to learn? And the integration between the courses. Yeah. End user interacting with HTML, JavaScript, Angular, React to develop this enterprise application. To develop this enterprise application, what are the courses you need to learn? Okay, to develop this enterprise application, what the courses you have to learn, and the courses design, integration order. So I hope I given full clarity to you why you are learning, what you are learning. No, 6 p.m. is not a new batch. This is a seniors batch. So if you want to complete course more fast, this course duration is 3 months. You want to complete course in 3 months. Okay, 3 months course. Give me 1 minute. If you want to complete 3 months course, then one batch. One batch, that is a 9 a.m. 9 a.m. batch. If you want to complete in 2 months, you want to complete in 2 months, then you have to continue 2 batches. 2 batches. 9 a.m. plus 6 p.m. senior batch. Okay, 2 months, 2 months, 2 batches, 9 a.m. plus 6 p.m. senior batch. So when to come to 6 p.m.? 6 p.m. you must start. After 20 days, not now. 6 p.m. batch you should start after 20 days. Okay, I will give you a link. After 20 days. This matter. Okay. So class timing is 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay. Every day class duration is 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. 2 hours. So I given already full details. Please watch yesterday or again you see that. Class duration is 2 hours per day. What the time now? 10:50. Yeah. Okay. I'll give you one slide. In that slide, all details are clearly mentioned. So this is a slide. Take screenshot. Class time is 1 hour 50 minutes. Daily class time is 9 to 11. 9 to 11 a.m. Maybe 5 p.m. 9 to 11 a.m. Okay. Fees is 2,500. Take screenshot. Take screenshot. I told you even high school student also can learn. Okay. In my 11 o'clock batch, one 6th class student is there. One 10th class student is there. One 12th class student is there. One BTech first year student is there. If you want to learn Java, if you understand my English, it's enough. You can understand, you can join, no problem. Okay. And these are the bank details to do the payment. Please take screenshot also. These are bank details. These are bank details. You can take the screenshot. This is an account number, belongs to HDFC Bank and is a current account. So this is the selected portion is account HDFC Bank and Nagbabu, you have to talk. He's our administrator. Yeah, Java 14 is the latest version. After payment completed, you have to send the screenshot to the Nagbabu or to the support@gmail.com. There you have to mention your name. While doing the payment, mention your name so that we can track you are the student of Naresh IT. Okay, you have to do payment today. So Nagbabu change అయిందా జూమ్ లింక్ Nagbabu జూమ్ లింక్ చేంజ్ అయిందా So this is our Zoom link. Jyoti, you can do payment today, Jyoti. You can do payment today. Okay. Still any more questions? Shall I wind up the session? Yeah, you can learn puja. No, backend is frameworks plus Oracle. New batch 6 p.m. New batch will be August end last week. August last week. No need to pay. Additional fees not required. Once you join this class, then you can come to senior batch for free of cost. No need to do any additional payment. Yeah, sure. You follow my Facebook page, Java Hari Krishna. You follow my Facebook page. I'll give announcement there. Yeah, same fees. Fees will not be changed, will not be increased, will not be decreased. Okay. So this is the new link. This is the link all people try to use. Okay. YouTube live people, you can use, this is the Zoom link. This is the Zoom link, zoom.us 960-460-55408. Using this link, you can join class from tomorrow. Okay, na? If you are in Zoom, then I can interact with you. If you are in YouTube, so cannot be interact easily. So now I'm giving the number, Zoom number, Zoom ID in the URL I'm giving, you can use it. 960-460-55408. Together I given Zoom ID. You can use that Zoom ID to log in and tomorrow onwards come to Zoom class. So that I can interact with you. Immediately I can answer to your question. But in YouTube live, I cannot see your questions immediately because cannot do two things, not two activities at a time. Prajakat Patil, no different fees, only one fees. UPI payment process also same. Select the bank mode, enter the bank account number. Somal Raju, you go to UPI, there you select a bank account. Okay, now through bank account, give this account number, and it is asking for HDFC Bank, current bank, something. If they are asking some other details, you can give. No, C++ is not there in our batch. Only core Java will teach. Okay, so that's all for the day. See you tomorrow at 9 o'clock sharp. Okay, tomorrow we will launch core Java, introduction to Java. The required concepts all I have given you. Now I made you software engineer mindset people. I made you software engineer mindset person. Then I will start core Java tomorrow. Tomorrow will start core Java. No password. Zoom ID, no password. Just use that and log in. Thank you. See you tomorrow. One second. I will share this image. Whatever I have explained in today's class, I'll share this image to our Facebook page. There you can collect. Okay, simple now. Simple images, right? There's nothing much. Okay, from there you can collect it. Okay, bye. Thank you.